Okay, we are farther down the road on the Jag Coupe 6-liter project. To quickly summarize, we are putting a 95 Jaguar V12 into a 76 Jaguar XJ Coupe, which originally had the 6-cylinder in it. We are converting to a manual transmission as well and taking out the automatic. The 6-liter donor engine had a bit over 100,000 miles on the clock, so we decided to go through it completely before we put it in. It ended up having a couple of scuffed pistons, so new pistons and a complete build. The engine assembly is about 70% done. It looks like more than that, but we are to the fiddly bits now: sensors, fuel rail, throttle bodies, etc., which can take up a lot of time. We were originally going to use the stock ECU harvested from the 95 Jag, but leaning now towards an aftermarket ECU, as access to the factory ECU is very limited for any error control or mapping changes in the future. We've also been preparing the engine compartment for the new engine. We will paint it, and it's pretty grubby, and it's hard to put a new engine in a nasty compartment, so full strip and repaint. We also have to do some welding up at the front of the engine compartment as we are converting to home market spec bumpers and getting rid of the heavy 5-mile-per-hour US bumpers and shocks. That involves redoing the bonnet mounts and establishing new mounts for the bumpers. So a little bit of welding up front prior to our repaint. We're going to leave the exterior of the car as it is. It is original paint all the way around, and it has a cool patina to it. The fuel tanks are out for acid dip, as we need to weld return lines into the fuel tanks for the fuel injection system, as the 76 Coupe was originally carbureted and didn't need them. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the button in this video.